Hello, everyone. Welcome to our class.
Let's start together.
Let's roll, letter C. Adventure time.
Indeed, keep it steady, Cat.
Whee, this is fun. Look at those fruits.
The fruits are bouncing happily inside.
C is cool.
Quite so.
Susanka, Sutukanka, Sanisketa, Yioketa. Hey, letter C, you're looking fruity.
I am. Want to see my moves?
Oh my, be careful, students. Wait, fruit party.
Grapes, coconut.
Time to roll out.
Hello, everyone. Let's learn about the letter C. C is for cat and coconut and citrus. Follow me. C adventures await. What a wonderful journey.
Whoa, it's glowing and moving. This is absurd. Make it stop.
Ribbit, it's bouncy, bouncy. It's chasing me. Woo, this is fun.
Okay, that's enough bouncing.
Wow, the light is moving. Let's guide it to make a shape. I'll stack some blocks for it. I'll help. This is so much fun. We did it, team.
All right, team, let's form a perfect C.
I'm arching my back for the bottom curve.
I'll fly up to help draw it.
And I'll hop to the chalkboard.
Great job, everyone.
Yay, the glowing C is complete.
All right, everyone, let's make a C. I'll help guide the shape.
I'm hopping to my spot. Chirp flying up high. Oink! I'm pushing the light.
Great job. Look at the glowing C.
The lights are tickling my ears. Move over. I'm conducting now. What does this do?
This is letter C. Repeat after me.
C. C. C.
This is letter C. Repeat after me. T, T, T. Curve around. C is for cat. C is for cat. Good job. Wow, look at that glow. Let's touch it.
Yeah, I'll go first. Move over.
Careful, it looks wobbly.
Whoa, it's all the time.
All right, fruits, let's make some music.
Woo! Yeah, let's jam. Durian power, activate. I'm the apple of discord. Time to roll out.
Wait, what's happening?
D is for dog, a happy dust.
D is for dog and for dragon fruit.
Woof! I love dates too.
And durians, apples, and more. D is delicious.
D. 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 D.
Hello, everyone. Let's learn about the letter D. Yay! I love the letter D.
Hi, friends. I'm full of yummy fruits.
Yes, D is for durian, dragon fruit, and dates. Hi, everyone. Let's learn about the letter D. Great! D is for delicious fruits.
D, dragon delicious. Yay, more letters soon then.
I'll point to the straight line. Great, I'll make the curve. Wow, it's perfect. We make a great team. See this line? It's perfectly straight.
Yes, now for the fun curve. Here we go.
Wow, you made it perfect.
Yay, we wrote D together.
Great job, team.
Letter D. Repeat after me. D.
D.
Okay, class, let's write the letter D. Start with a straight line.
Perfect.
Now, a nice curve from the bottom.
I did it!
Great job. Now, everyone, try it on your paper. Letter D.
D. D.
Line down.
Big curve. Big curve.
D is for dog. Letter D.
Line down.
D is for dog. All right, class. Today we're learning about the letter D.
D is for donut, a big yummy donut.
A donut? That's not what I had in mind. But look, the board agrees with me.
Wow, a donut. Can we eat it?
All right, class. Let's draw a D.
Quack, I'll make the curve.
Perfect. Great job, Duck.
Yay, I want to try next.
You got it. You're all doing great. Letter D.
D, D, D.
Line down.
Big curve.
D.
D is for dog.
Yay!
Letter D.
D is for dog.
Letter D. D is for dog.
Okay, let's sound